When you next pop into your local motor factors, pick up a handy box of multi-purpose microfibre cleaning cloths from Connect Workshop Consumables. These are multi-purpose microfibre cleaning cloths that trap dust and debris, perfect for the garage, workshop and home. To clean and trap dirt without leaving smears or damaging paintwork. Perfect on shiny chrome. Each cloth is a generous 30 centimeters square, and under the microscope we can see the detailed fibres that trap every tiny speck of dirt. The handy dispenser box means that the cloths are always to hand. Great for all sorts of cleaning jobs. Lifts and traps dirt with no smearing. The Connect cloths are so versatile and can be used anywhere from windows to plastic surfaces, and really good on computer screens and keyboards. Best of all, you can throw them in the wash and use them all over again. Connect yellow microfibre cloths. Great for detail work, but strong enough for tough cleaning jobs. Pack of 50 in stock now.